Want to know how I create viral reels that generate me thousands of views and hundreds of leads every single month without me recording a single piece of content? In this video, I'm going to show you my exact process for using AI to create these viral reels that will generate a following for you and also generate leads for you on autopilot. The best part is this works really well even if you're camera shy, hate recording content, or don't want to spend hours in front of a camera to record these videos. I've used this exact method for my coaching and agency clients to generate them thousands of followers and generate leads for them on autopilot without them requiring to record a single video. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so there's three main parts to getting this system up and running. The first step is going to be finding existing viral content from competitors in your niche and then copying the content in your own brand and style. Because you know the concept works, it already went viral, you might as well start with those concepts and ideas to get started. So let me show you exactly how to find them and then how to extract the content and make it your own. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, I'm on my own page, right? So let's say you're one of my competitors, you can just follow this exact process. What you want to do is you first need this sorter, right? TikTok and Instagram sorter. It's a Google Chrome extension, super great, super valuable, very easy to use. I definitely recommend paying for it. I think it's like $5 a month for the pro version. So once you get that up and running, you pretty much want to just go here to the Reels tab and then sort by views, right? We want to start posting viral content first when you're starting to build your account. If you don't know how the VAC framework works, make sure to go check out my other YouTube videos that break exactly how we operate and create content for me and all my clients to generate leads and also a following. But getting back into it, you want to go into the views tab and then just hit start scroll. Now, I get kind of impatient, so really I just prefer to just put it on max speed and then kind of just, do it myself, right? All right, so as you can see, I'm now at the bottom of my Instagram page. Now everything is going to be sorted in terms of views. Hey, everyone's got to start somewhere. I used to only get, a couple hundred views, less than 100 views when I first started. And slowly I built up, right? So stay consistent. But getting back into it, you want to get back in here, hit top. And now you're going to see all the content is just sorted, right? It's all sorted and organized. Now, let's say I want to copy one of my viral videos, right? Like this one. You want to now take this video and then you want to copy this. And what you want to do next is extract the transcript. So I have a pretty cool tool that I've built in-house that I use to extract transcripts of any video I want. I'll show you a brief breakdown of it, but there's a lot of transcribing tools online that you can find and use to extract the transcript of this video. So as you can see, I just entered the Instagram link in here and now I'm just waiting for the system to load. I have a bunch of Slack bots, so pretty cool. But you can see I've literally put in content topics. I've put in CNN articles. I've put, Instagram links, whatever I feel like putting in here, I can enter and it will generate a short form script for me. It's a pretty cool system. If you want me to teach you how I built this, I'm more than happy to. Just let me know in the comments so I know it's something that you actually would care about. And boom, as you can see, the video has been generated. Now, this system generates a short form script for me anyway, but really what I want here is the original post, the transcript, which is what you're going to need as well. So now that you have that, we're going to move on to step 2, where we're going to use your ChatGPT clone to create high converting scripts that match your brand guidelines. Let's get it. All right, so now that you have the transcript, we're going to go to ChatGPT and use a custom GPT that I've built to create a copy of that content, but make it authentic and your own. So now you want to go to ChatGPT, the GPT store, and then search up short form God. So as you can see, got a good amount of people that use it, pretty hype. Got some good ratings. It's pretty exciting. But really what you want to do here is just hit start chat. Now that you're on the short form God page, you want to just enter this short prompt. Give me a rewritten version of this script. Then I like to just say, keep most of the content the exact same and don't change any numbers or names. Use a strong hook, but just rewrite the script. So as you can see, it generated the script, right? Nike insulted their customers and their sales soared 16%. Pretty good hook, has the value. Here's the genius part. That's something called a micro hook, right? That we like to use for all of our scripts. And Shortform God has the exact instructions as well on how we operate our own script writing. So this is a pretty solid script. So now that we finished step 1, which was finding the viral content idea, and then step 2, creating your own version of that script, step 3 is now using your Digidoppel clone to read the script out for you and then just have it edited and posted so you never actually spent all the time recording these scripts. All right, so step 3, all you want to do is just take the script that you made and then put it into your Digidoppel. If you don't know how to set up your Digidoppel, I've already made a YouTube video on it, so make sure to check it out. I think it's the pinned one on my channel. So check that one out and then come back once you're done. So now that we have the script, we're just going to go here and then copy paste that in. Just remove all this stuff. You want to also remove stuff like these headers, right? Because you're not actually saying those things. So just keep those in mind. A couple other things like these percentages, some of these should be fine, but you just want to make sure that you have the right voice, first of all. Instructions in my other video. So go there, check the voice, make sure that's good to go. Make sure your settings are up to par. My settings are usually 75, 75, and then 50, around that range. 1.1 speed. Those are just the settings that have sounded the most natural for me. So just went ahead and stuck with that. And then, you just want to hit play. You want to get your video submitted and you're good to go. Okay, so I've pretty much given away all my secrets that my clients are paying me $3 to $5K per month for on how to execute this AI automated system to scaling your personal brand, generating followers, and generating leads without recording a single video, completely done with AI. But here's the thing, this system is incredible, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. If you truly want to scale your personal brand and generate qualified leads that can actually afford your service, you need the entire top to bottom strategy to actually executing. So if you're a serious business owner that's making over 10K per month with their agency or coaching business, and they're looking to take their personal brand to the next level, but hate being on camera or hate recording hours of content, click the link below to schedule a free consultation call with me to see if we can set up our systems in your business and help you hit those 50K, 100K months and beyond. Now, genuinely, if I can help you, I will pitch you and I'll tell you exactly how we can help. But if I can't, I will tell you that I can't help you and I'll send you along with some free resources that can get you to that point. But regardless, make sure to check out my other YouTube videos as well because there's so much valuable information that can get you set up and running, executing the system and generating results completely off my free YouTube videos. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see next because I will create exactly that for you. And like I said, once again, coaches and agencies making over 10K per month, serious about taking things to the next level, hit me up. Let's hop on a call, see if I can help you. But other than that, as always, take care.